Good morning, student. This is our picture dictionary class. So, everybody, you have to take out your picture dictionary book. Now, we are going to read page number 49 of your picture dictionary book. That is our musical instrument. Okay? So, this we have to read. What is the first musical instrument? This is tabla. Everybody knows that these are the instruments which are used to produce music, and through music everybody enjoy. Okay, by listening music you relax your mind and body. Okay, so first one is tabla. Most of you have seen tabla because somebody by tapping finger on that it produces sound. It needs training. You have to take training, then you can do tabla. You can play tabla. So first one is tabla. Okay. Next, see, this one is trumpet. This one is trumpet. Okay. It is like this, and from your mouth you have to blow the air, then the sound will produce, and in front there are some key to press like this with your finger, tapping by your finger. So next one is trumpet. Understand? Then this one, this is a guitar. What it is? Guitar. Understand? Guitar, you have to take it on your body. There will be a belt, and in front there are some strings. With when you are just doing like this on the string, it will produce sound, and it will produce a nice sound. Okay, so first one is tabla, second one is trumpet, and third one is guitar. Now next, this one is a keyboard. Okay. It comes in very big in size, and we have to keep it, and with our finger we have to tap this switch are given. You have to tap. Every switch has its own melody, so when you are tapping it's produce sound. So you have to take training of this to play. Okay. So this is a keyboard. Understand? Then next come to dholak. Dholak, generally at the time of some bhajan, some spiritual things, when we are, or some traditional or cultural songs are there, we heard the sound of a dholak. Okay, by tapping finger on this and this part, the sound produce. This is known as dholak. Understand? Next, this is a flute. What it is? Flute. Okay, so flute is an instrument. We produce sound by blowing air from our mouth, and we tap it, another finger, another hand on the holes given there, so that nice sound produce. This flute also used by our God Krishna or Lord Krishna. Okay. Next one, clarinet. Okay, clarinet also you blow air with your mouth and you produce sound. This is a clarinet. Then bongo. Bongo also by tapping finger on it we produce sound, and that is a musical sound. Okay. Next is our accordion. This also we take on our body. It has a bell, and this side with the help of our hand we tap the finger, and this side with the help of our another hand we move the thing to and fro. Okay, like this, so that nice sound produce. So this is accordion. Next, harmonica. Harmonica is an instrument which we use to produce sound from our mouth. We blow air and it will produce sound. Next one is violin. In guitar, with our hand or fingers, we produce sound. Here, like that, strings are given, but one more stick will be given. With the help of that stick, we produce the sound. Understand? And this is tambourine. Tambourine, by holding like this and we tap like this, then it will produce sound. Okay? Okay? Understand? One more time I am reading. Tabla, trumpet, guitar, keyboard, dholak, flute, clarinet, bongo, accordion, harmonica, violin, tambourine. Understand? Done. Okay. Next. Next page. It is our sports chapter. Whatever game you play, it has a name, and that names we will see. Okay? Sports. Outside of the field you are playing. So this is a sport. First one, this one is a cricket. Okay? This one is a cricket. We play cricket with the help of bat and ball. Okay? With the help of bat and ball. Okay, next. It is a basketball. What it is? Basketball. Next. This one is a volleyball. What it is? Volleyball. Understand? Next. It is a football. What it is? This one is a football. Okay. Next. This one is a table tennis. What it is? Table tennis. Understand? Next. This one is a hockey. What it is? It is a hockey. Next. This one. Everybody knows. Boxing. Okay. Boxing. And last one is a wrestling. One more time I am reading. Cricket, basketball, volleyball, football, table tennis, hockey, boxing, wrestling. Now come to this page. First one is rugby. What it is? Rugby. This one, badminton. This one, swimming. Baseball. Golf. Skating. Cycling. Billiards. Again saying rugby. It is also known as American football. Okay. So this is rugby and this one is a badminton. Understand? Next, swimming. Understand? This one, baseball. Baseball. Next, this one is golf. This one is skating, cycling, and this one billiards. Understand? So today you have gone through what? First one is musical instrument and second one is sports. So go through this chapter and learn them. Okay? Today's teaching over, students. Thank you.